have it on Friday morning, Mulad.
Friday, this bench in this combination is not available.
Can it be Monday? We also get some time to prepare the status report.
Thursday morning.
We'll hand it over on Thursday morning, Mulad.
So it goes to Tuesday then. So
We'll hand it over on Thursday morning then, Mulad, the status report.
Can it be Tuesday, Manoj?
we'll keep it on Thursday.
Which-
Thereafter, we'll keep it on Tuesday. We'll have a brief hearing on Thursday.
Yes.
Monitor the situation across the country and then place it on Tuesday. But you can give us your status reports even by Thursday morning. There's no difficulty.
So all petitions may be listed. All petitions.
Now, if it was not taken on record, it was filed late, Lord, it may be.
So all petitions.
By Delhi Medical Association.
We are great.
Guys,
Grateful to her.
So the suo motu hearing in the RG Kaur Medical College and Hospital rape and murder case has just concluded. Of course, the Supreme Court will convene once again to hear this matter briefly on the 22nd of August is what we're being told. At least the West Bengal state government has time until Thursday morning to submit its status report on the investigations into the incident of vandalism that took place at the RG Kaur Medical College and Hospital on the 14th of August. We also heard the Solicitor General of India, Mr. Tushar Mehta, requesting a week's time, that is until next Tuesday, so that the CBI could submit its status report in the investigation so far in the rape and murder case. It remains to be seen as to what exactly the decision of the Supreme Court is in that matter, whether the report needs to be submitted by the 22nd itself or a week's time has actually been granted to the CBI to investigate this case and, of course, grant or submit an interim report in this matter. We'll wait for some more clarity on that, but the hearing as of now has concluded. The three important takeaways is that the state government needs to submit a status report on the vandalism incident. The CBI needs to submit a status report on the investigation so far into the rape and murder, and a national task force comprising 8 members of the medical fraternity, which has been constituted by the Supreme Court itself, has approximately 2.5 months' time to submit an interim status report on issues pertaining to the safety of medical health professionals across the country. Let me go across to Bhavtosh. For more on this, Bhavtosh, while we were tuning in to the proceedings in the Supreme Court, it appeared as though the representative of the centre, Mr. Tushar Mehta, the Solicitor General, had asked for a week's time, that is until next Tuesday, so that the CBI can submit its status report with respect to the investigation so far into the rape and murder. What's the clarity on that?
Well, as far as that matter is concerned, we need the written order, but it appears that by Thursday morning, there would be a brief hearing, and it could be possible that Central Bureau of Investigation will have to file a status report by this week itself, but we have to wait for a written order. But what is most important is 2 things that have happened since the hearing is over. One, the Supreme Court has requested that doctors need to end the strike because it's a matter pertaining to health and safety of lakhs and of the entire country. Importantly, the Supreme Court has now said that RG Kaur Medical College will be protected by Central Paramilitary Forces, most probably by CISF, to which Senior Counsel Kapil Sibal has said then there can't be deployment of 2 police forces, that is the State Police and CISF. The Chief Justice said then let it be protected by the Central Paramilitary Forces, because one of the demands of the doctors who are at strike at RG Kaur Medical College is that they don't have any faith, they don't repose any faith in the state police. So it has been decided by the Supreme Court is that the security of RG Kaur Medical College will be now given to the Central Paramilitary Forces. CBI is already investigating this case, but given the gravity of this case and seriousness of the case, Supreme Court and the Apex Court has decided that a status report will be submitted by the CBI. Importantly, other parties to this case will also have to submit a status report, including the state government and state police, primarily because of the fact that they believe that there is some kind of ambiguity or some kind of destruction of evidence. Though Kapil Sibal has completely denied this, he has said that there are wrong information or wrong narrative that has been said on social media, but SC or Supreme Court has said that Chief Justice has said that he's completely revolted by the fact that the victim's name has doing rounds on social media, as well as photographs and very graphic details of her postmortem report is already out on social media, as well as in some cases in the media also.
Right. So two additional takeaways as well, like you mentioned, Bhavtosh, that it could be likely that central paramilitary forces could also be deployed for protection of medical professionals at the RG Kaur Medical College. The other is, of course, the request going from the Chief Justice of India to all the protesting and striking doctors across the country who've been standing in solidarity with the victim in this case to resume their services as